Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today we are at the farm. I just wanted to vlog our little farm adventure for you guys and what we get up to. We got in super late last night, but the kids' internal alarm clocks all went off and we were up at the crack of dawn just before 7, so we were out here feeding the chickens and the kids are very eager to go and check out some tractors. So come on with us and let's go explore the farm together this weekend. Oh, Linky! Tell me, what's this plant that Grandpa's growing out here?
Canola.
Canola. And out in the canola field are bee tents. We are out by the silage pit and the canola field is behind me. This is a hybrid canola field, so all other canola fields have to be a minimum of half a mile away. That's even the neighbors' fields. They have to be half a mile away. And ideally, they would actually be a mile away. And that's just to prevent cross-pollination. The payloader is running. The kids are with Grandpa in that right now. You can see the bee tents are out there in the canola field. I just wanted to show you that. They don't have the bees in them right now, and these bee tents are going to be getting leaf cutter bees in them later in the season here to pollinate this canola.
Going up?
Yeah.
Oh goodness. Okay, go up. You're already here.
No?
Yeah.
Which tractor are you guys going on next?
The big tractor.
The big tractor? Oh, much fun. Mommy? You just want to go with just Grandpa? Okay, bye-bye. Have fun with Grandpa.
Let's go. Combine. You can't start. What do we got here, Lyric? We have the steering wheel, right? And the seat, and the throttle. Okay. And this is the gear shift, right? Can you work that back and forth? You work the gear shift. Find a gear. No horn. And then this is the power shift. Make it go faster. Can you pull that back? Grab that. Pull it back. Real hard. There you go.
This is the Gofinator.
Yep.
The Gofinator truck with Gopher.
This is the Gofinator and the Gopher dog. Huh? Yeah. He loves it.
No, he doesn't want to. He's stiff. Maybe later. Are you scared of the quad bike? Oh, you're scared of the quad bike? Do you want to just walk with Mama then? Is it interesting but scary?
Draw one and put it in the bag. I know, you do it. You do it. Drop. Do you want to shake it? Your job?
Lyric's job is to shake it. Okay, quick.
Hold it closed. Yeah, very good. Okay. Very good. Thank you. Okay, we're grabbing this one out. You got it? Perfect. All right. That's another big one? Okay, here. Grab another one.
Switch sides. Okay, Lincoln, get on the other side. Hey, we're already out and about. The kids wanted to get out and into the tractors. First thing in the morning, Lyric wanted to climb the potato hill. That was the highlight yesterday, and they just want to live it all again. So they are out doing that. I just fed the chickens here this morning. Gonna go pick some eggs, and then we're gonna head into Brooks, which is the closest city to our hamlet, and it's about 20 minutes away. And this weekend is the Brooks Stampede. So we're gonna go and hopefully check out the little parade here this morning at like 9. And then it's too bad they have like a little like mutton bust-in thing where the kids ride sheep and see animals. It's called Little Britches. And I wish we could go to that, but it's like at 1 o'clock in the afternoon, which is nap time. Who books these things at nap time? Anyway, so we're not gonna go to that. But we'll probably come back, have lunch, and then just put around the farm the rest of the day.
Totally worth the wait. Have a wonderful Brooks Rodeo weekend. Make sure you go to Silver Stage and check out all the awesome events.
The dog in the truck. So, look at this guy coming here.
Look at that guy. Lyric, are you excited for that big truck?
Yeah, doing wonderful. We got our
There, Auntie Carla, show me the potato. Oopsies! Oh my gosh! It's an astronaut! Look at that one. How are you? Can you go give great grandma a hug too? Yeah. Aww. That's a good boy. He's driving away. Is he being a good dog? Even Linky's touching him. Don't pick up the dog. That's right. We just pet him nice.
Okay, ready to go? Let's go.
That's what I used to have to climb up. There's a good like 6 feet up to the ladder from the ground. So you'd have to like stack pallets or something and then jump and climb up and open and close the bins. Great memories. Hey guys, after the parade, we rushed home, the kids went to nap, and then I decided to head out with Grandpa just to go and putz around the farm. We went and checked some pump houses, getting the chopper ready since it's silage season. He's got to get the feeding done. So, you know, as you go around the farm, you do one thing, then you see another thing that needs to get done. So it takes 5 minutes, right? So you go and do it because that's how it works. And then you get back on track eventually. And so we're back here at the shop just because the feed truck needed a boost and waiting for that, and now it's started, so Grandpa has to go and quickly turn off the chopper because it's getting filled up with gas, and then we're gonna go feed the cows. It's pretty empty. I think Grandpa only has a few hundred head, if that, and then his beef cows are out in a different pasture. So not much for cattle this weekend, but plenty of tractors to play with. Hey guys, it's crazy windy out there. We just finished like moving the roller tractor. Oh, I got a little grease spot there. Anyway, and then we went in, had a quick snack, had a bite after we moved the rollers back. Lincoln absolutely had to go back on the payloader tractor, so they're out playing on some more tractors. We're just gonna get the chickens some grain here. Then I'm going in for a shower. And then it'll be supper time. And this is coming to the end of our trip, the end of the farm time. It always goes by so fast, and tomorrow we'll be on the road back to the big city, so bittersweet. We love the farm. There's just so much to do and climb and see and drive, so the kids just absolutely adore it, and I can't wait to be able to spend like more time in farm environments, on the farm with the kids, just with more things that they can do every time we come. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this content and checking out our little farm adventure and what we got up to this weekend. If you like this kind of content, feel free to check out our farm playlist where we just share what we get up to when we head to the farm. Thanks so much, and we'll see you next time.
1, 2.
Very good.
1, 2.
Lyric is making breakfast. Lyric, what are you making?
French toast.
Is this one of Grandpa's favorite foods?
Yes.
Look at how good you are at that. Wow. Is this our last day at the farm? Yeah? Did you have a good time? What was your favorite thing?
Tofu.
Gopher? Gopher the farm dog is your favorite thing? Aww.
Let's try to put some pepper and salt on you.
Oh, okay.
Everybody having breakfast?
Yes.
Please? Cheese?
Yes.
Yeah. Cheese.